Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to change themes in Windows 11. Let's start with the video. First of all, right click on your desktop and then click on personalize. So here in personalization you will find different options. So click on themes. Here you will see different themes which can be applied. Just click on any one of it. Just like we want to change the theme of our Windows 11. So just click on any one of the theme which you want to change. Just like I will click on this theme. So here you can see our theme has changed successfully. You can also apply other theme as well. Just click on this theme. And here you can see again our theme has changed successfully. So these are the available themes on our Windows 11 computer. Now if you want more themes, then click on browse themes. And here you will see different themes on your screen. So just click on the themes which you want to change. And just like you can change any of the theme from here. I will click on this. And from here just click on apply theme and your theme will be changed successfully. And here you can see these are also the free themes. You can also use them. So guys, in this video we saw how to change themes in Windows 11. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.